Good morning student, welcome to DSS online class. Today I will give reading video of chapter 10 respiration. 10.3 How do we breathe? Let us now learn about the mechanism of breathing. Normally we take in air through our nostril. When we inhale air, it passes through our nostril into the nasal cavity. From the nasal cavity, air reaches our lungs through the windpipe. Lungs are present in chest cavity. This cavity is surrounded by ribs on the side. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm form a floor of chest cavity. Breathing involves movement of diaphragm and rib cage. मीन्स जब हम लोग एयर को इनहेल करते हैं तो एयर नॉस्ट्रिल से होते हुए नेजल कैविटी में जाता है और नेजल कैविटी से एयर लंग्स में चला जाता है थ्रू द विंड पाइप and lungs present inside the chest cavity and chest cavity surrounded by ribs. During inhalation, rib move and outward and diaphragm move down. This movement increases the space in our chest cavity. Air rushes into lungs. Means inhalation के दौरान रिब्स बाहर की तरफ मूव करता है एंड डायफ्राम डाउनवर्ड मूव करता है। इस तरह चेस्ट कैविटी की साइज इंक्रीज कर जाती है और एयर नॉस्ट्रिल से होते हुए लंग्स में चला जाता है और लंग्स एयर से फिलअप हो जाता है। ड्यूरिंग एक्सलेशन रिब मूव डाउन एंड इनवर्ड वाइल डायफ्राम मूव अप टू इट्स फॉर्मर पोजिशन। दिस रिड्यूस द साइज ऑफ चेस्ट कैविटी. Air is pushed out of lungs. This movement in our body can be felt easily. मीन्स एक्सलेशन के दौरान रिब्स इनवर्ड की तरफ मूव करता है, अंदर की तरफ मूव करता है और डायफ्राम अपने ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पर आ जाता है. इस तरह चेस्ट कैविटी की साइज रिड्यूस हो जाती है और लंग्स से एयर बाहर की तरफ रिलीज हो जाता है. Take a deep breath, keep your palm on the abdomen, feel the movement of abdomen. What do you find? After having learned that during breathing there are change in size of chest cavity, children got involved in the chest expansion competition. Smoking damages lung. Smoking is also linked to cancer. It must be avoided. स्मोकिंग लंग्स को डैमेज करता है, स्मोकिंग कैंसर से जुड़ा होता है, इसलिए इसको अवॉइड करना चाहिए. एवरी वन वॉज बोस्टिंग दैट ही कुड एक्सपांड इट मैक्सिमम. हाउ अबाउट डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी इन क्लास विथ योर क्लासमेट? The air around us various type of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollen, etc. When we inhale, the particle get trapped in air present in our nasal cavity. However, sometimes this particle may get past the hair in the nasal cavity. This may irritate the lining of cavity, as a result of which we sneezing expel this foreign particle from the inhaled air and thus free clean air enter our body. Take care when you sneeze, you should cover your nose so that foreign particles you expel are not inhaled by other person. Take a deep breath, measure the size of the chest with measuring tape and record your observation. In table 10.2, measure the size of the chest again when expanded and indicate which classmate show maximum expansion of chest. We can understand the mechanism of breathing by the simple model. Effect of breathing on the chest of some classmate. Name of the classmate during inhalation, during exhalation, different in size. Activity 10.5. Take a white plastic bottle, remove the bottom, get Y-shaped glass or plastic tube, make a hole in lid so that tube may pass through it. To fork end of the tube fixed to deflected balloon, introduce the tube into bottle as the shown in figure 10.7. Now cap the bottle, seal it to make it airtight. To open base of the bottle, tie a thin rubber or plastic sheet using a large rubber band. Okay, thank you.